Hi there, it's Boris Chachao once again. Today I'm gonna talk about how to share your YouTube videos on Instagram. So you have created this visual masterpiece and you have uploaded it on YouTube. Naturally, what you want to do, you want to promote it and upload it and show it to your Instagram audience. But unfortunately, there is no direct way how to do that. Firstly, I will reveal all the secrets how to share your YouTube content into Instagram story. Secondly, I will guide you step by step into the exciting process how to resize your content to match Instagram aspect ratio. Get ready to transform your own YouTube content into captivating Instagram posts, Reels, IGTV and stories. Let's dive in. For the first method, we are going to use trailer of our YouTube video on our Instagram story. By this method, we are going to gain more subscribers and more YouTube watch time by driving our Instagram audience to our YouTube channel. Grab your phone and head to the YouTube app. Need to capture your screen? No sweat. Just swipe down from the top to access the setting menu, hit record and let the countdown begin. Got it? Great. Now crank up that volume and dive into your YouTube video. Once the intro is done, stop recording by tapping the red button. Can't find screen recording option on your iPhone? Guys, don't panic, I got you back. Simply head to the settings, then control center and add the screen recording. Now guys, head to your camera roll and find your screen recording. Trim it down to just your YouTube trailer, then let's get creative. Crop out the excess and focus on that captivating video frame. Wow, perfect! Click done, save your masterpiece and get ready to wow your Instagram followers. Guys, now let's go to Instagram. Go to Instagram, tap your profile icon and choose add to your story. Pick your video, then add some spice. Tap the smiley face, hit the link and grab your YouTube link. Back to Instagram, paste it and jazz it up with text and stickers. Add some fun with GIFs or text. You pick it up. When it's perfect, hit share and BAM! Your Insta crew now has a sneak peek with direct link to your full YouTube video. Guys, easy right? This was the first method how to share YouTube video on Instagram. Now let's tackle the small screen syndrome. We are about to surprise your YouTube video to fit in perfectly within Instagram vibe. Now let's fine tune your video for Instagram perfection. Here is the deal. Place your playhead where you want your Instagram video to start, then hit split. Move it to where you want it to end and hit split again. Select the portion you want to share and click download section. Choose the quality, command Instagram settings and hit download section again. If you're sharing the entire video, just click anywhere on the screen to unselect. Tap down, choose Instagram as a rendering setting and hit export video. After a quick rendering, watch your masterpiece, then click download and grab that MP4. Now we are all set to upload your YouTube video on Instagram. Hold on, we're not done yet. If you are like a pro and you are using your tools like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Apple Final Cut, you can also tailor your YouTube video for Instagram. Here you see my previous project on which I have worked on. Now let's create quickly new sequence, digital SLR, 1080p, 24 frames per second. New sequence has been created. You just need to select your YouTube video, trailer, and just remove rest of the video now. Adjusting aspect ratio, navigate to sequence settings and change the frame size to desired aspect ratio. Just reverse those numbers and you are ready to go. Going to effects control, scale to the perfect size and change the video's position. The second method is just you putting auto reframe effect and boom, you see that? Now we can render in and out, play the video and it works well. Guys, if you find this YouTube video helpful, I'm more than happy to help. Please smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. More great and useful content is coming towards your way. You don't want to miss out that kind of content. Trust me on that. keep the alarms on, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Bye.